Hi boys, welcome back. So it looks like we have ourselves a block drain, either a block drain and a malfunctioning trap primer. From what I can see, this primer here might have failed, causing it to run without stop. Plus, you see that tissue paper there, that looks like toilet paper, it looks like a backup. So I told the customer that we would take it apart. We would take that cast iron apart from the bands, these metal bands, and see if it's actually blocked and see if it's actually coming from the primer. It probably is. And then we're just going to snake this line. Okay, so we definitely now know that this is a drain issue. So we know our primer is fine. We know our primer is fine here. So we have a block main issue, I think. clean that. I think I'll get the precision cleaner in on that. Holy shit, mama. Separation there, man. Right there. So, alright, I'll show our camera. So right there, okay. Right there is your city pipe. That's right going down. We're looking vertically down on the city.
This one.
Yeah, we're going in here, okay. So I'm going to pull back. That's the city drain. Left to right, horizontally, left to right. That's the city drain, okay? So I'm just going to pull back. Which I know you don't get splattered. Can you see that better now?
Yeah, it just showing me it's all clear.
Yeah, it's clear, but there's a problem. Okay. This looks like your property.
It's outside.
Your side. That's a joint, that's a glue, that's yellow glue. That's glue.
There's a kind of glue in
Glue. That's glue to put the pipes together.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Okay. Here we go from cast iron, we're going metal. This is cast iron. Cast iron, we're transitioning.
Up to here now.
Roughly, yeah, roughly, just before
Just
the wall.
behind the wall.
To the wall, behind the wall, okay? Okay. You can see.
It's stuck somewhere.
Just pull it back slowly. See the gravel? See the pipe is split, separated from each other.
So we
Around there, around the wall area. See the split?
So what can you do about
You see that split?
There's a joint.
It's, I don't know, is it a crack? It might be a crack. It looks kind of like a crack. It looks like a crack. Okay, is that clear?
On the top, right there.
Yeah, so the pipe should be like this, but instead it's like that. It should be like this, the two pipes. It could be a broken hole or it could be a separated pipe. It looks kind of like a crack here.
Oh.
A crack. Okay, so you have 50% of pipe here. It looks like. Okay.
So what can you do about that though?
So I'm just going to have to locate it. It's roughly in this area.
Yeah.
It's roughly in this area because I'll show you. When I pull my camera out, I'll show you my flashlight. You can see it from here.
Oh.
Okay. So I'm going to pull back. Okay.
So you can take the pipe out though?
Yeah, I'll pull this camera out first. I'll show you. Okay, so we're essentially done here, lads. Tidied up. all tidied up. Tried to do the good thing and mop it up as best I could for him with the brush. So where do I begin? It's a big regulator, man. Look at the size of that thing. So yeah, everything here has been retightened. Tighten the 2 nuts there. Tightened each band right there. And then the clean out, horizontal clean out right there. Tightened, pushed in all the way, maxed out. Scooped all that up for him to get the odor out of here. And I think that vent, that's that air assistance there, I think that is outside where the garbage container is, where that dump bin is. So if that's the case, I'm assuming the sewer line, the wall, I'll show it to you, I'll explain it to you when I get up there, but basically I'll be excavating here on the other side of the wall, and then I'd like to put a new piece all the way through for him. All the way through for him. Okay. That's that. He just needs to hose this down. He can do that himself. At least I got the most of it out for him. Pretty clean, like. Okay. Alright, lads. That's it for inside. Okay, so yeah, over here. I think, so I marked it, going out there to the city. I think the wall is roughly around here. I think that wall is the same as the wall in the mechanical room. And I think that vent that I showed you, I think that's coming from here. I think that's coming from here. That air assistance. So, I think that's that. Okay. Alright lads, okay, we'll talk to you in the next one, boys.